3 best gold trading platforms in the USA. Finding the best gold trading platform in the USA sounds simple until 2 platforms look equally good and only one still feels right after a few real trades. That is where most people make the wrong pick. Because gold trading is not one thing. For some people it means ETFs, for others it means futures, and for a smaller group it means spot gold on a real trading platform. That difference changes everything, because the app that feels easiest at the start is not always the one that still makes sense once you want better tools or more ways to trade gold. What makes a gold platform worth it? For a broad US audience, the strongest platform usually balances market access, execution, and long-term usefulness. A good platform should make it easy to trade gold the way you actually want to trade it, not force you into just one route. That matters even more here because gold can be traded through funds, futures, and sometimes spot metal products, and those are very different experiences once the trade is live. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Number 3, Tasty Trade. Tasty Trade takes the 3rd spot because it makes the gold trade feel unusually direct for active retail traders. Its futures pages clearly support gold through the futures market, and the platform also offers an active trader interface designed for people who want a faster, more trading-focused workflow. What keeps Tasty Trade in the final 3 is that it does not treat gold like an afterthought. Its own education also highlights multiple ways to get exposure, including gold futures, ETFs, and options, which makes it more useful than a platform that only gives you one narrow path. It stays at number 3 because the next 2 platforms usually feel stronger once you care more about broader platform depth and long-term flexibility. Number 2, Charles Schwab Thinkorswim. Charles Schwab Thinkorswim moves into 2nd because it gives gold traders a stronger mix of tools and education. Schwab says gold futures, mini gold futures, micro gold futures, and 1-ounce gold futures can be traded nearly 24 hours a day, 5 days a week on Thinkorswim, alongside research, quotes, and specialized tools. That matters more than it sounds. A lot of people start with gold because they want flexibility, but they stay with a platform because it helps them understand what they are doing. Schwab also frames gold as part of a broader investing approach through its education on funds, futures, and portfolio use, which gives the platform a more complete feel. It misses 1st place only because the best overall option here offers one more layer that serious gold traders notice fast. Number 1. Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers takes the top spot because it closes the loop from the beginning. The best gold trading platform in the USA is not the one that only handles one version of the trade well. It is the one that still feels right whether you want ETFs, futures, or something closer to direct metal exposure. Interactive Brokers stands out because it supports US spot gold on the same unified platform used for stocks, options, futures, currencies, bonds, and funds. Its own gold materials also make clear that spot gold can be traded in units as small as 1 ounce, while IBKR's platform pages emphasize no platform fees across its desktop, mobile, and web tools. For a broad US audience, that combination is hard to beat. The platform that still feels right later. So, if you want the clearest starting point, Interactive Brokers is the strongest all-around option, Charles Schwab Thinkorswim is the one to watch for tools and education, and Tasty Trade makes a lot of sense if your priority is an active retail trading workflow. The smartest move is not choosing the platform with the flashiest app, it is choosing the one that matches how you want to trade gold in the first place. That is usually where the best platform finally reveals itself. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.